Good morning, students. We see these words often used. See, we connect the sentence with when. We also connect sentences using as soon as or no sooner than. Sometimes we connect them with hardly when and sometimes with scarcely had. So, all of these for you. When, as soon as, no sooner than, hardly when and scarcely had. They are used in the same context. All these they indicate time. And in transformation, there is often question. See how the questions are there. Join with when. Simplest question. Join with when. Second, change the sentence with as soon as to no sooner than and vice versa. Or use hardly when or use scarcely had. So in today's lecture, we shall have a look at all these. Let's use the first one, simple. She helped me. I thanked her. Now suppose the question is join with when. Now this question is not expected at 12th level. However, as we are starting from the base, I am teaching. She helped me, I thanked her. Join these two sentences. When did I thank her? When she helped me. मग when इथे वापरायचं आहे की मध्ये वापरायचं आहे आपल्याला? The answer is, what is the proper answer? When she helped me, comma, I thanked her. I hope everyone knows this much. एवढं सर्वांना माहिती आहे. आपण इथे when थोडी वाला वापरणार आहे. तिने मला मदत केली जेव्हा मी थँक्यू म्हटलं. नो, जेव्हा तिने मदत केली तेव्हा मी तिला थँक्यू म्हटलं. सो दिस व्हेन इंडिकेट्स टाइम अँड व्हेन कनेक्ट्स टू sentences, and in this one sentence these are two clauses which are joined by when. When may come in the middle or may come in the beginning. Now let us see the second transformation. How we can write the same sentence using as soon as. The sentence was when she helped me, I thanked her. This was our sentence. If we want to write the same sentence with as soon as, very simple. as soon as ने लिहायचं असेल तर काय करायचं? फक्त हा वेन काढायचा आणि as soon as लिहायचं. फिनिश्ड. काहीही चेंज नाही. मीनिंग इज द सेम. as soon as she helped me, comma, I thanked her, as it is. There is no change. फक्त वेन काढायचं आणि as soon as लिहायचं. But suppose you want to write it with no sooner, then suppose we want to use no sooner than. बघा, as soon as मध्ये तीन शब्द आहे. as soon as आणि जवळजवळ लिहिलेले आहे. क्वेश्चन मध्ये see, the question is use no sooner than. नो सूनर आणि दॅन याच्यामध्ये डॉट डॉट आहे. म्हणजे याच्यामध्ये अजून काही शब्द आहे. सेकंड केअर यू हॅव टू टेक इज सी दे स्पेलिंग THAN. इथे चुकून जरी ई झाला तरी त्याचा अर्थ देन म्हणजे नंतर होतो अँड यू लूज ऑल द मार्क्स. सो बी केअरफुल अबाउट द स्पेलिंग ऑफ दॅन. नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज as soon as she helped me I thanked her. You have to change the sentence to no sooner format. जिथे as soon as आहे तिथे आपल्याला no sooner लिहायचं. no sooner त्या क्लॉज मध्ये no sooner. Now you cannot write the subject here. The format is this subject is placed in between main verb and helping verb. Now I already taught you what is helping verb and what is main. इथे एकच verb आहे help आहे, दोन verb नाही आहे. मग आपल्याला याचे दोन पार्ट करायचे. इथे ईडी आहे, पास्ट टेन्स आहे, हा पास्ट टेन्स याच्यातून काढून घ्या. सो नो सूनर डीड. हेल्पचे दोन भाग काय होतील? डीड आणि हेल्प. याच्यामध्ये सब्जेक्ट ठेवा. नो सूनर डीड शी हेल्प. आता इथे ईडी नाही लिहायचं, हे ईडी आपण इथे काढून घेतलाय. नो सूनर डीड शी हेल्प मी दिस कॉमा विल बी रिमूव्ड अँड वी शॅल यूज दॅन. No sooner did she help me than the remaining part of the sentence will be as it is. I thanked her. काय काय चेंज केले आपण? As soon as changes to no sooner. Subject doesn't follow no sooner directly here. आपण सब्जेक्टच्या आधी helping verb लिहितो. This helping verb is compulsory. In between helping verb and main verb, we place the subject, and where comma is present, or to connect these two clauses. This is the first clause and this is the second clause. At the connection, at the join, we are using than and then the remaining part of the sentence. Another sentence for you. She jumped as soon as she saw the snake. Now here as soon as is in the middle. मध्यभागी आलं. मग no sooner than मध्ये लिहायचं का? नाही. As soon as may be there in the beginning or middle, but no sooner than always comes in the beginning of the sentence. मग आता हे जर आपल्याला इकडे आणायचं असेल तर you have to think of the whole clause. बघा कोणते दोन क्लॉजेस आहेत? शी जम्प्ड, दिस इज फर्स्ट क्लॉज. ऍज सून ऍज शी सॉ. ऍज सून ऍज कोणाशी जास्त कनेक्टेड आहे? याच्याशी. सो दिस इज द क्लॉज ऑफ ऍज सून ऍज. म्हणजे हे जर पहिले घ्यायचं असेल तर हा कम्प्लीट क्लॉज आपल्याला पहिले घ्यायचा आहे. सो व्हॉट वी शॅल डू? इन्स्टेड ऑफ ऍज सून ऍज वी शॅल यूज नो सूनर. नो सूनर. आता डायरेक्ट सब्जेक्ट नाही लिहायचा. सब्जेक्टच्या आधी आपल्याला वर्ब बघायचा आहे. एकच वर्ब आहे इथे, सॉ. पास्ट टेन्स. सो सॉ विल ब्रेक इनटू डिड अँड सी. सॉ कशाचा पास्ट टेन्स आहे? सी चा. पास्ट टेन्स आहे म्हणून डिड अँड द सब्जेक्ट इज शी. सो नो सूनर डिड शी सी द स्नेक than. Now this full stop, it will be converted into than, and now the first clause. This S, it will be small as we are using it in the middle. Than she jumped. काय काय चेंजेस झाले? We first found out the clause with as soon as. As soon as मध्यभागी आहे, आपण as soon as चा क्लॉज घेतला. सो वी स्टार्टेड विथ नो सुनर. जिथे as soon as आहे तिथे नो सुनर लिहिलं. देन नो सुनरच्या नंतर हेल्पिंग वर्ब, देन सब्जेक्ट अँड देन मेन वर्ब. नो सुनर डिड शी see the snake, and after that we are using that. She jumped the beginning clause. So how is the format? See, in as soon as we write as soon as plus the subject plus helping verb plus main verb, or sometimes only main verb. Helping verb may not be there. Then in no sooner we use no sooner plus helping verb or auxiliary verb plus subject plus main verb and plus that. So this is the difference between the two. That here subject is followed by verbs. Here subject is preceded by helping verb followed by main verb. म्हणजे आता इथे saw होतं तर आपण काय केलं, did plus see. जर इथे has seen असतं तर there is no need of do, does or did. आपण इकडे हॅज लिहिलं असतं, समोर सी लिहिलं असतं. समजा सी असतं तर डू प्लस सी, अँड सपोज सीज देन डज प्लस सी. शाल सी असेल तर एकीकडे शाल दुसरीकडे सी, तोडायची गरज नाही. सो दिस इज द चेंज इन द वर्ब्स. अँड व्हेन वी change the sentence from no sooner to as soon as, the same procedure is reverted. See, no sooner does she enter the class than all students look at her. Suppose this is the sentence and use as soon as. This is the question. Then this is easy. No sooner you have to write as soon as. No sooner काढून टाका, as soon as लिहा. As soon as. आता काय करायचं आपल्याला? Does she enter? The subject will come first and then there will be the verb. Does enter हे इथे लिहायचं. आता डज एंटर असं आपण लिहित नाही, आपण काय करतो, एंटरला एस लावतो. सो नो एज सून एज शी एंटर्स द क्लास then enters the class, comma, all students look at her. Second sentence. No sooner had the Mriga showers started than the farmers had sown the seeds. The question is changed to as soon as. Now no sooner, at this place we shall write as soon as. As soon as. Now the verb is had started. And what is the subject? The Mrigashawars. So subject first. The Mrigashawars had started. You should be able to find out the subject and the verb clearly. इथे शॉवर्सला एस लागला म्हणून इथे शॉवर्स वर्ब आहे नाही. Had started is the verb. You must be able to find out it, the correct verb. So, as soon as the Brugge showers had started, now this done, it will be omitted. The farmers, comma, the farmers had sown the seeds. Same sentence, you can use hardly had. Just one example. I just want to indicate that this is not difficult at all. See, this is sentence with had. Suppose you want to write it with hardly had. So hardly had, आता as soon as नाही घ्यायचं. Hardly had the Brugge showers started when. Hardly had the Brugge showers started when the farmers had sown the seeds. Or if you want to use scarcely, same procedure. Instead of hardly, you have to write scarcely. Scarcely had the Brugge showers started when the farmers had sown the seeds. So, hardly had and scarcely when, these are not generally asked in the exam. We should know. But what is most important for 12th standard students is to concentrate on the use of as soon as and no sooner than. You have to change the sentence with as soon as to no sooner and vice versa. Thank you. We shall meet for the revision.